Wait. Huh? Yes. Nice. Hello, guys. How are you? It's come back again, Alan Chester. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you and explain how I can find our indicator. Before, I cannot believe it where I find this Telegram channel. I check this guy every time he showing nice and rich life. And first time I'm just looking. A few months after that, I tried it. I mean the indicator, and I show you today only interface, only how I'm use it. But it's not financial recommendation. Be care. First, I choose link. After I moving to Telegram bot, okay, let's move it. I'm open Telegram bot, make start. It's some interesting interface, but it's really incredible story. Okay, push the launch. Here have any favorite currency. I'm put it tier X. And after just put there copy amount, and continue. Okay, start to process, move to back. Okay, for now I close. For reloading applicate, there I put free bomb. Yeah, we already make it. And let's continue. If you want make any deposit, be caring. It's high risk. Just let you know. Okay, complete. There we put in application. Okay, next one. They're already preparing my setup. I show you how I make it. Yeah, already we receive balance. There I put it. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That next, I make double. Next one. I'm just like playing for now, but before I caring about it. For first time, it's been my experience. It's been high risk, but so long time. Okay, just double. Okay, next one. Some interesting playing the game. Next one, ready. Okay. And next. Yeah, push back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one, 5. Yep. Yeah, for now I won't make withdraw, just make and bake. Also TRC 20. I think you already know how use wallet. Yeah, it's already sent. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, copy. Yeah, we'll make withdraw. And for now, we just need to waiting. Guys, for now, I want asking you if you like my content, you can make subscribe to my channel and follow me and my content. Okay, let's check. Mm-hmm. Okay, now there. Not yet. Okay. Usually I explain for my brother how use this, but somebody asking, oh, already. Wait. Huh? Yes. Nice. And last week, it's my incredible experience anytime when I played. Okay, guys, it's high risk. If you're not idiot, please don't do that. Yeah. And next time we will see with you. Make subscribe and bye bye, guys. See you.